Ay! Ora, totoo may podcast na gali, bro.
Didn't realize that. So, welcome back to Ticknap Thoughts. We had to go on a short break, aka drink water.
Drink water.
Stay hydrated.
Stay hydrated.
And so today, this time, Rian will be picking a question from our bowl of questions.
Yeah, it's your turn.
Yeah.
Really.
Okay, so our question is, do you think AI can ever really understand emotions the way humans do when creating art?
Bro, what's up, bro?
Na-discuss earlier. So, like, subong, like,
Paano taluat kita question?
hindi lang thought. Like, not thought.
Same emotion.
Do you think
Understand
AI can really
some
understand?
Understand. When, like, creating.
Well, for me, it can imitate
Yeah.
the emotion. Pero,
Just like your,
yeah, it can, copy. Pero,
copy,
not,
really feel.
yeah,
Yeah,
Not
it can
real.
express.
Not express. Because it's artificial.
Yeah, it can understand human
At the
feelings,
first
bro.
place man, be.
Humans lagi naghimo AI, di ba?
Yeah.
Yes, gani.
Without humans, bro, there's no
Pero ang
AI.
AI, more on gabi siya sa mga nakuhaan niya source online.
Yes.
But ara bala ma-feel agad like ang the way ta ma-feel like sa emotionally sa aton brain, sa aton nga heart, feeling ko
Yes.
hindi gid nila ma-understand.
Because sometimes, be, kung AI naghimo, it's like, too perfect. It's, too good to be true. Because us humans, it's, diba, what makes us humans, we make mistakes.
Yes.
To be unique.
Imperfections.
Mo na. That's
yes.
like, amo lang pagka-lain, it hits different. Diba?
Yes.
Tapos ang gin-discuss naman to Gina, na by making music
Yes.
sa art. Tapos ang imo gidya passion.
Yeah.
Hindi na nila
So, yeah, regarding AI and how they create art, they will never be able to truly feel what an artist feels when they're making art. Like, they will never be able to replicate what a painter feels when he's painting a sad portrait. Hindi na sila maka-feel sadness.
Yeah.
They can't feel anything, but they can imitate it and make it even more perfect. And I think that is the problem with AI, especially if you're not using it in a good way.
Yeah. Lalo na take advantage mo.
Ay, sa pagiging girl, if you're using AI, sabi sa mga, movies, music, hindi nila ma-feel ang aton nga stress sa paghimo ka amo na nga mga art, kumbaga, hindi nila ma-feel ang aton nga kakapoy, kasi syempre, there are
They can do it in
machines.
seconds.
Mula gani, by, di ba, may making art, it's not like, ginfo ka lang sa mga tao. Kay, ang gusto mo yung express, yung experience. Not just information, pero it's based on experience.
Yes. Like, may process pa na yan, bro. Hindi na lang kasimple ang maghimo kita. That's why, ma-feel ganyan natin.
Yeah.
Because like, simple, even though nando ka perfect kung pay mo isang AI, you like, ara na dayon niya.
Mas ma-appreciate ta more if kita,
Naghimo
human effort.
Diba?
Yes. Tapos lalo na, ang ginhimo mo na art, may meaning sa,
Real
paghimo
life.
mo bala, like, paghimo mo. Yes.
Tapos sa mga himo ka sa mga mga artists ang elementary.
Oh,
Exactly.
Kaya so kung maghimo ka arts ng elementary, do ka na, nostalgic, kay,
Tapos hatag mo kay mama mo, present. Mama, di ba mami? I made this for you.
Yes. But yung sabi, ang galing, mga nakamakits, kung may activities, mga digital art, din, gina-AI nila, tapos,
tapos, pag like, kung activity, make a letter for your parents, say, AI yun na.
Yes.
No!
Di mo ma-feel.
Hindi mo
There's
na
no
storya. Hindi na, hindi na mastoryas ang AI kung anong
Tutuod mo na.
tutod mo na feel.
Yes.
Ang imo, syempre, experience mo gito sa inyo household kung paano mo i-appreciate ang imo parents.
Yes.
Yeah.
Di ba?
And especially in social media today, mera mga tao nga gagamit sila AI to paraphrase or to
Oh,
even
right.
completely create posts about a certain topic. And I think it's kind of disrespectful because why are you making a machine that doesn't know how to understand feelings
Yeah.
write something about your own opinion? I think ikaw ganyan mo, bra. Ikaw ganyan you should do it
Alhamdulillah.
yourself so that you can express it more. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be understood by other people. Damo lang na sa.
Yeah.
Tapos, alaman, ipa-I love you mo ang AI kay mama mo.
Uy!
Oh, no.
No.
Tapos, kung mag-imo kapag poems, hindi mo
Yeah.
rin.
Hindi mo siya
Kung magbasa kami poem, though like, mga deep meaning, gid na. Tapos, kung i-AI mo lang,
Tawag doon, metaphor. Ano yung ginamit sa mga poem? Metaphor. Ay, hindi.
Di ba gahapon
Metaphors.
ka?
Yes.
Yeah, you're saying poems,
bro! Yeah!
By the
Over poems, bro!
Yeah. So metaphors, it's basically how you describe things, but in different terms. There can also be idioms, and it do wala lang be emotion. If you know an AI machine made that poem, like it's much better if an authentic person, a real person, made a poem or a story, because then you'll get to say, wow, this is really sad because somebody thought of this and decided, wow, ibutang ko ni sa akon nga, I will put my feelings into writing. But if an AI machine made it, you'll just think, oh, somebody prompted it to do it. Wala sila nagpaminsar. Wala sila ila own mind or own emotions, basically.
Yeah. Actually, looking back bala, a few years, like, sang nag-start yung lang pandemic, ang grado, to sa una,
Yeah.
okay, hindi na ito di magpakuno-kuno sa una, sang pandemic, syempre, online, especially kung from online classes ka, syempre, hindi ka ganyan ka-avoid. Okay, review.
Yeah, that's okay, bro.
Hindi,
But you need to be assistance tuod.
assistance, pero sometimes, hindi na ito
More.
magpakuno-kuno ng why nakagamit answer some test, yung ginahatag sa aton, mga essay, pero medyo natudla na kayo, syempre, sa nag-start ng AI, syempre, bala ka mga teachers how to detect. Sa nag-start nga, nagambal amon mga subject teachers nga, ang mga gagamit na, mga amo na, syempre, doon mas, doon nag-guilty ka somehow, wala ka, syempre, ang inyo, ginahimong activities, mga halin, kis-a, sa AI, doon mo na ginabaton mga grado, which is agaka-feel ko nga, deserve that eh. Yung mo na wala.
Wait lang. The truth is, wait, wakay mo, AI.
Ano, girl, may mga summative lang. Sa una, girl.
Sorry ha.
Sorry.
Hindi man ito pang angel ko, pero wait, wakay mo. Ay, wait ko pa na-discover.
I think back then, mas popular sa atin, Brainly.
Yeah, ako na Brainly lang.
Brainly.
Brainly.
Yes. And I think AI wasn't really popular back then. Sa quarantine nga time. We were using Brainly to look up answers to a specific module. Ay para man siran na natin kag mapass.
no?
Pero actually, it's helpful in a way. Like, kaya magkumatunan ka, dira mo man ginahatag sa Brainly.
True. Because
Like,
they're actually actual people
naman mo.
submitting answers and not just AI
Doon,
machines behind them.
Doon community man siya of students and educators to, from alam kung ano ang answers sa mga
Yes.
questions. Lagot na yan.
It's weird.
Ang
Wrong
nakakano
niya.
na daya, mangkot ka question, may pulos ang magsapat.
Oo.
Nag-question ka, tapos may nag-answer, na mangkot man sa ako na, no?
Diba? Pero sa ano na, para lang sa mga points.
Oo,
Oo,
points.
points. Ako na ginalaw ko sa una.
There's a point system.
Ang hindi man siya, hindi lang brain day, so nagagamit ang do math, na do,
Ay, why ko na.
Golf math na siya.
I don't, buta.
Sa
Basta may math.
Basta doon mo na siya,
Oo,
galing
math.
do, is hindi man siya
Workout.
accurate, yun pala. Since do hindi pa may na-develop at that time ang
Yeah.
AI.
Kasi may trust issues when we're going
Actually, ang AI nowadays when it comes to mag-calculate mga
Math.
chemistry ng
Physics,
mga
oh.
problems or physics or math ganyan, mga algebra na ba. Hindi sila gid maka-answer accurately 100%. Hindi ka gid mayo ka.
Yeah. Kag hindi sila bala ka-explain very step by step.
Like,
Do that soon na lang ang answer.
lain, gid ako mag-explain ang teacher kaysa sa AI. May depende man sa teacher. Pero halos, per me, na teacher lang gid yung maintindihan mo isa sa AI. Muna.
It's mostly because it's their level of expertise when it comes to that specific topic. For example, math teacher, mapatudlo ka na siya, isa ka math problem. Well, an AI machine like ChatGPT, they would do it directly. Wala na bala steps. And sometimes it would be wrong. Kaya pwede man gid yung magsala yung AI, pero a math teacher, an authentic human person, ma-mistake man siya tod be. If hindi man gid siya amo pa na ka, if he's like or they're new to what they are teaching, pero most of the time they will be able to answer it and explain it better than any AI could. From experience. Sir Nomer.
Yeah.
Shout out!
Numero uno, bro!
Numero uno.
Dapat hindi ma-solve, mahimo dapat si Sir Nomer mga questions hindi
Sir,
ma-answer ka
shout
AI.
out sa'yo, sir. Happy Teacher's Day.
Teacher's Day.
Happy Teacher's Day to everyone.
Transcended
Everyone.
naman na teacher.
Happy Teacher's Day sa'yo.
Happy Teacher's Day.
Thank you.
Very human.
Ay.
Teach siya. May teach dito sa mga... Okay, segue.
So, guys, summarize, AI is...
Lugi na pala ito subong ang AI sa pang topic.
Pero, actually, hindi mo nakita.
Mayroon man na positive na impact. Pero like, para sa sa atong perspective, naduga, expand gid ba ang AI to the point na daw like, this is so...
Can't be controlled.
Ay,
Yeah.
to bala? Dugod dependent na ta sa AI. Instead of mas ga-improve aton knowledge or the way to mag-craft maybe art or like poems, essays, ga-rely ta bala, tapos why na taga-improve. Asa do,
Yes.
na lang tablang, ay, okay,
Okay.
kaya na ako pa-AI, so hindi na ako mag-effort. Tapos, why na
The first-
taga-grow bala?
Oo. Kaya in the first place man, be, gini mo ang AI para mas mahapos ang aton himuon. Pero not to the point nga, i-take advantage. Oo.
Directly depend on it. I
There-
think it
Be
is not
dependent on it.
really the AI's fault, but it's the
Yeah.
people that abuse
Nagagamit.
AI, especially on social media.
No, may aga mga bossing ay tadigali sa Sandoval sa ilang covered court. Mahatag naman tagrasya sa buong adlaw, ngita ta na participants ah. May aga mga bossing, pwede na ka mga videohan? Di mapag-games na kami, tapos may ara kami cash prize niya tag sa inyo. JJJ. So before ta mag-start sa aton nga game, no? Pakilala ta danay aton nga mga participants. Ano inyong ngalan kag taga-diin ka mo?
Ako gali si Jok Jok, taga Sibukaw.
Ako naman si Boy, taga Talisa, idol.
So, salamat. Sa subong inyo mechanics sa aton nga game, simple man lang pakto nyo man lang kung real or AI ang amon ipakita. So first, nga pakita namon, Ariel. So, real ni siya or AI?
Real na siguro, real. Feel ko real sa kay
Kay,
tuntuwabla ako, kakit siya.
tapos, mayo ang detalye sa tsura, wala gid man. Di mo na AI na ako.
Hindi niya iya.
Hindi niya AI, tsaka niya AI na, hindi niya AI.
Kakit siya.
Ikaw na mo.
Ay ka.
Anong final answer, guys?
Real.
Real.
Real ni hindi. And 1, 2, 3.
Paano?
So, wala ka mo.
Ako kasi AI sa
100. Next, second, and our last. Ipakita namon sa inyo. Isa ni ka video. Ihamba nyo man lang kung real or AI. 1, 2.
Ay,
Feel ko real.
AI niya sa akin.
Real sa akin.
Sino may maaway, tapos makisay. AI niya.
Sige ba, siya naglabing-labing sila din niya. Kaya di ba sa iban nga...
Kaya taon na sila makakasin. Taon na sila makakasin.
Verse ako na.
In 1, 2, 3, what's your final answer?
AI.
Real ako na real.
Isa lang dapat ka answer.
Guwapo ba? Do boss ba?
Pick tayo.
Siya.
Matuwa na ako.
Pick. Pick. Real na real.
1, 2, 3, what's the final answer? Real. It's real. Congratulations. Here's your prize.
Tama naman eh.
100 pesos. Ano ba nyo guys?
Yung isa yan.
Thank you, Gid.
Ang isa question niya.
Thank you, Gid.
Thank
Thank you,
you,
Gid, sa
thank you,
inyo nga
thank
pang Thank you.
Thank you. May pang pamahaw namin guys. Popping yan. Dahil sa...
Social media,
Yes.
gamit AI to scam other people or to trick other people about things that maybe either aren't real or actually wrong. Like especially political propaganda, man,
Yes.
like recently over the past years. So it's really hard to differentiate AI from authentic human work, and that's what's scary about the entire thing.
Yeah, hindi mo na siya ga-effect actually sa aton humans, sa aton nga development, but also the environment. Hindi ko, use mo lang nga ang AI ka na uses water para mag-work.
Oo. Ang
Sa ila ba lang ang main, di ba lang ang company, sa ilang computers ka nagagamit water.
Tapos may naghakitan ko man nga kada gamit mo AI gainit amo na like man ko to nahadlo ko
That's why need nila ang water to,
to cool down
ang mga ilang mga machines.
hida mo na
Kada search mo kano pilato ka nung ka gallons or like liters ng water
natik
waste.
feel ko sa pag
Sure, ko pa na may na-research about that. Pero gakakita ko ng may effect Actually, dapat ang mga people nowadays kung magamit sila AI, gamit man tatanan.
Yeah,
Girls sa aton nga apat, gagamit kita.
We all
Need to be aware nga, hindi gid ba magpatama sa use. Hindi ka da question sa kabuhi mo.
Responsible
What do I
use.
do the first thing in the morning?
Let's not depend entirely on AI because we are still human beings with a lot of other human beings around us, our friends, our family, and we shouldn't depend on something that wouldn't understand genuine human feelings.
Human connection to it.
Yes.
Kita mo na, iban realize AI as their boyfriends.
character AI
Y'all are so
damo ko na kilala
Ala na ko
Same,
da.
girl.
Dala na ko yan.
arabi na ba't ka-change forget na lang
I mean, sometimes
It's
it's
really
really fun to play a character as someone that uses character AI, but also at the same time, some people get so delusional.
Yeah,
that even in real life, they'll
to the
imagine.
point it becomes so weird bro like wala na personality
Don't
mo
make it your personality, okay? Try to learn to differentiate.
kaya syempre gusto ya mamit ang idol, K-pop idol. Pwede man, character sa, anime.
Fictional, mga
Oo, mga
fictional
fictional characters.
Yes.
Wala siya galing character niya.
Yeah.
Yeah, like,
I've never used it.
pero ako man. Pero gakitaan ko, bro.
I have been using it, and from my experience, as long as hindi kayo mag-depend entirely on it or just become completely delusional
Oh,
while
just like
using
for
it.
fun lang.
Yeah, kita ko bala, there are some AI bots there that are named after some people's crushes. In real life, I've seen one I've come across, and the user, the one who made the bot, literally said, "This is my high school crush." Like, ang scenario, but we sit next to each other in a morning class, and I'm just like, how delusional can someone get?
Actually, sa amon
It's kind
nga
of
point,
sad.
do possible na ang may maging reason ng AI for someone to have a mental illness.
Yeah.
I think it causes a lot, especially because it is part of the online world.
Actually, may
And
mga documentary
kaka-isolate
na
na.
about it.
Meron na?
very addicted na kanoong, actually, from America, nag-document, very addicted na sila to the point nga, do feeling nila, kasal na sila, mga naman.
dear
Oo, kita
me.
mo na sa Japan, kinpakasal ya, something.
Ayun, pag na siya, girl. Pero,
Pakasal ka Jabuya.
So, on the internet, there is a website where you could marry a fictional character. Wala saya chat like AI nowadays, pero you just put that character's name, and then you just click marry this character, and then you could plan out the details of your wedding, tapos honeymoon.
Ah, cute lang yan.
It's
That's for
cute.
fun,
It's
bro.
really cute, but now,
Yeah, now, they solo.
it's kind of a low level nowadays.
best nga ma-improve mo ang inyong communication skills sa mga co-human being.
Oo, okay.
Nasa AI.
Kaya kung man
worse.
be, kung ka to detach ka sa, reality, tapos dira ka lang depende, na yung matabo,
Kind
kung
of-
ara ka sa gwa.
Kind of a mental disorder na nga.
Oo, kay kung be matabo, kung ara ka na sa school with real human beings.
So, yung pag ginachatan mo, syempre.
Tapos kung ipanon ka sa recitation, answer, wait, answer AI.
Wait, let me ask real quick.
Wait. Tapos syagin pambal mo. Weird, no? Tapos, hindi mo ma-practice ang imo pag, public speaking.
Public speaking skills.
Yeah.
Mas
may-
mas sanay ka nga type
Yeah.
kaysa maghambal, like actual speaking. And I think this is like the whole point of AI, I think, is to be used by other people to make their lives easier, but not to be abused and be dependent on completely. You're not going to rely completely on AI. You just use it to make like everyday tasks seem easier, like writing down something from school or making a planner or I don't know, other things. But you're not supposed to be reliant on it because that's kind of wrong, especially with so many social media issues happening because of AI and irresponsible users.
Yeah. So guys, nagubos na nga mon. Take nap.
Before ta guys, gali mag-end, may bonus kaming around sa inyo guys. ASMR kami de.
Sige.
Duwa ta diga.
Dapat ilamon yun ang itlog.
Dapat may crunch, meron mo lang. Okay.
Hindi ni makapis ang AI.
I can never replace
Kaya mo
this
to?
now.
Ay, dapat tatlo
Yan
to girl.
na.
Para may crunch, kaya
3, 2,
tatlo gani. Ay, namin ka crunch, bro.
Damo sa may balaan.
Amo na, hindi maka-replace ang AI.
Ang pagkablain ulo, guro. Ay, hinano. Heartwarm. Wait lang, struggle, Dio. Hindi na ma-replace ang AI, ang struggle. Wait, 3, 2, 1. Kaya, ayaw ka nga.
Ay, kami.
Ba't kami kabal ako nang babatian yan niya or what?
Okay. To end this episode, guys, we'd like to thank our sponsors. Okay, first, we have our Owishi fish crackers. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Next, we
Pancit
have
Canton. Angelina.
Thanks for the hearts.
tasty bread, 100% tastier ka, no?
Thanks for the red.
Apparently. This is,
I can never replace that.
of course,
They can
Pancit
never replace
Canton.
us, bro.
Lucky Me Pancit Canton and sweet and spicy.
Yes.
Yes.
May limited ka mo. Hindi pa
Oh, ladies' choice.
Wait, what?
But we're promoting, bro.
Cut that out, Charlie.
This is not an ad, but this is made by real people. So
Yeah.
So, this podcast was brought to you by your host. Again, my name is Alexandra Orbitania. Alright.
and my name once again is Gabriel C. Diocampo.
And here our guest, and our guest,
Rian Kesha 81. Alright.
And I am Riza Marie Talavera, your pretty influencer.
Cut that out.
Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening. Tiknap Thoughts and wait lang, gadali ka mo. And for our next episode, may next episode naman ta guys, which is AI liwat. Pero ang atong topic is do like lain man.
Maybe something a little more specific. Something.
Yes. Pero do like do na may man part na do gin gin discuss ta subo.
Yes, we have discussed briefly about it
Yes,
in this
pero-
episode. So
Pero hindi pag i-reveal
you'll just have to wait and see.
next Friday.
Yes. So
Lain
wait
naman
for
sa
our
up naman.
episode. Wait for our episode on Friday. So once again, this was Tiknap Thoughts. Thank you for listening and tuning in. And now we are signing off.
3, 2, 1, go! Ay, ano ka mo?
Sabay! 1, 2, 3.
Mapiling mo. Char! AI can never replace this. Char.
Never.
Never.